Hey traders, John from Crypto Candlestick Trading. Just wanted to do a quick update on Bitcoin and DOT and FTM and XTZ. Just looking at it here, so I just kind of wanted to get a bit of a broader picture of it. So here we are, the 5 minute chart, and we can kind of see that it's trading under all the moving averages, and can't really say too much more about it than that. It's kind of gone up and down, and yeah, that's about it. 30-minute chart. So we've gone up, rejected perfectly at the 200, and then we came across here, and then have a look at this. So I was just about to post a video right about here, because here we've got like a spinning top that's touched, well, not touched, but like it's at the 200, very, very nicely. Then we've got reversal pattern happening here, massive engulfing and attempt, and then we've got straight away indecision, perfect indecision. And then we've got a spinning top. So there was, like a lot of people exited the building at this stage here. I was looking at going short on this position right here, but anyway, I didn't. Well, I mean, like it's Bitcoin, so I was looking around for other cryptos to go short on, and so anyway, we'll have a look at those in just a minute. But anyway, we can see, and it's still here, like we've gone up, and it still seems to be failing between the 50 and the 9. So it's gone up and had a go, and now it's failed. It's definitely failed. You can see that. So it's going to a fair bit of work to do in order to try to make up that failure. And here we are on the 4-hour chart, which is a very, very popular chart. A lot of money gets turned over on the 4-hour. A lot of people use it for their analysis. And here we are. We've found support, broken down, had resistance at the previous support, resistance again, broken through resistance, and then up and over. And then now we're back down below that, and we've come up and hit it with a weak candle. There was quite a few people sold there. Then we've got almost an engulfing pattern that's happened closing below the 9, and we know what that means. Like if it's a downtrend, which it looks like. Stochastics were overbought from back here, from the high, which is good. The low says that we're oversold, but we're not trading the stochastics. These only help us for a buy. That's like it looks okay, but I mean that candle just, and also the very next candle. No, it's there's nothing in that says buy. High, low, lower high, lower low, and that's what we can expect. Usually if we see a downtrend. And here we are on the daily chart. Gone down and had a great reversal down here on this one. I just want to open this up a little bit. So a great reversal down there. It's gone up, and then we've got an engulfing closing below the 9. And then it still looks like we're willing to trade lower. An indecision there yesterday, and then today we've opened and traded lower. It'll be interesting to see where we go from here. But let's have a look at a few of these other ones, like DOT, for example. So I just wanted to explain a few of my positions here on DOT. So DOT's looking pretty good for me at the moment at this stage. So like I went short right up here at this stage. So I saw, here's the 4-hour chart with DOT. I'll just open up, we'll go for the 5-minute chart. So, we can see that, it's kind of having a pretty aggressive sort of a sell-off, so which is good for me. I sold into the market, I'll buy back when it starts showing buying signals. So. And then here it's gone up, broken up, and then broken straight back down, and then trading below. Like it's 30-minute chart, still doing the same thing. Showing negative signs, trading below all the moving averages pointing down. Here we're broken up, and we've got a beautiful reversal pattern here, and then we've got a it's almost like a shooting star, spinning top kind of a thing. It's very close to a shooting star, but we know what to expect from this indecision here, and then open straight away. So. Here, after this green, I thought if I see any negative from here on, I'm going to go short. So anyway, I saw this pattern happen beforehand. I thought this is failure. If this was a strong uptrend, it shouldn't behave like this. It should be a frantic buying frenzy, to get it away from these moving averages. But look at it, failure. Just found support, and then straight away, just above here, we've got reversals, and very nice reversals at that happening. And so anyway, I just sold there and went down, and then I sold again there, and today I just sold again there. So I'm in 3 times on this one here, and and on the daily it looks pretty good too. I'm pretty happy with what it looks like on the daily. It's kind of come back up, found rejection, huge rejection, which is nice, and then come back down. And then FTM. So I just like FTM, I didn't like. Well, actually, if I was holding FTM, like this would scare me a lot. Having, a nice big breakout. This looks, this is bait for, breakout buyers, at these highs. And have a look at the volume. There's no volume on this breakout as well. So, and then we've come back, massive engulfing, indecision, and now we're trading lower. So I went short. I sold into the market at this low here, but as we can see on the 4-hour chart, that's beautiful. It's gone down, tried but failed. And we know what happens when it tried and tries and fails at the 50. Usually well, the first target that I'd be thinking of is around about the, say, the 240 mark. So that's 282 to 240. Coming down to that sort of low there. Anyway, we'll see. And the same here again on the daily chart. Yeah, back down to the 50. So that even says that. And this is probably oh no, that 220. 220 makes sense as well. 220 and 213. I'm kind of seeing it that. That's FTM. So, and my third position that I've got short on, like, this is beautiful. I haven't checked my account for a while, but yeah, so have a look at this on the 30-minute chart. Came up perfect reversal. Gapped up, hit it, and then we've got the hangman, and then gap down, tanking. Beautiful, I love it. So anyway, yeah, shorting here, and then going across here. So here's where like, I saw this double top, and I thought to myself, that's perfect. Like, who, no one's going to want to own this. After that, shooting star, and there's the doji spinning top, double top. So I went short right here. So, and I've only entered twice into Tesla, so I don't know exactly where my second entry was. I think it was somewhere here where it came up, approached the 50 again. But and here on the daily chart, yeah, looking pretty good for the south side. So anyway, no one knows what's going to happen with this thing. Like, this could do anything. So like, as soon as I turn this off, it could turn around and start going the other way. But one thing I do like about this in my short entries is that we're under all the moving averages, and we're heading in the right direction. So I'm quite happy with that. And yeah, I'll just hold on until the charts tell me not to hold on. Okay, any questions about this, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon. See ya.